One of my subscribers, Future Laugh, asked me what kind of brushes I use to paint my murals, so I figured I would make a quick video about the brushes that I use on murals like this one. I'm on location at a mural that I'm working on in South Lake Union in Seattle, Washington, so check it out. Basically for this mural, I just use 3 kinds of brushes: a large flat brush, a smaller flat brush, and a small round brush. So these are the 3 brushes that I use. This is the large flat brush, this is the smaller flat brush, and this is the small round brush. And let me show you how I use these 3. With the large flat brush, you can turn it on its side like this to do your line work, like this. And you can turn it flat to do fill work. Yeah. And the same thing applies with the smaller flat brush. Just turn it on its side and you can do skinnier lines or skinnier fills. And then the small brush, the small round brush, I use, like, if I were to do an eye, a really small eye, or some really small details, you know, this is for all the little detail work that I use in some of my murals. So those are my brushes, and that's how I use them. I just get the cheap kind from Blick or Michaels. I don't take super good care of them, but that's it. That's the brushes, man. So hopefully that helps you making your murals, and I hope it helps some other people who might be getting started in their murals. That's it. Thanks for watching.